Sunset on January 3rd. I'm a little late to it, but this gives a pretty good idea of the cloud cover we had at the sunset. You gotta love Arizona for sunsets, sunrises, especially when there's moisture in the air, cloud cover. You don't quite see it in this picture, but we have some color on the eastern side of sunset. Overall, beautiful skies out on the LTVA tonight. Hope you're all enjoying your new year. God bless all of you. Come on out here if you want to have some restful moments and a little bit of buying and selling shenanigans over at the tent fair and swap meet area. Great days. The RVs are all lined up. Got the place stocked and ready for customers. The other cool thing is the big tent is up. It's not, I don't think any vendors are here yet, but the tent and the facilities are all set up. This will be interesting. I'll keep you appraised of that coming up too. The place looks like a real carnival out here. Okay, got vendor row over by Tyson Wells, and there's the vending on the far side of the street. It's January 4th. Got the tool spots and KB. They're always there. So are these guys. Flags and tools. Go check this row out. It is quite cool out here. Nice weather. Great to see all the vendors. A lot of gemstone and artistic people making their own jewelry and selling it. Setting up their own. I guess it's very inexpensive to vend here. That's why it starts off the season for a lot of people to do this for a living. Always some treasure. It's January 4th, the last night of my Christmas lights out in the desert. It's lovely out here. It's about 9 o'clock at night. Moon shining bright. A little bit hazy. This town. And the last night of my Christmas celebration. January 5th, I take down the lights. Come on out to the court site for the gym and RV show. It's going to start on January 17th, I think. There's lots going on. See you out here.
They don't come very often like that. That's right. Hey, get something for Josh with snowshoes.
Been really windy, cloudy, cold and dusty today. January 7th. I was walking around the swap meet earlier. I have some photos of that. Little video clipping of that. Gonna have a nice evening. Probably a good sunset. Somebody said there's a storm coming. Have a good night. We're at the beginning of the second week of January 2025, and the wind has increased its intensity and tore my tent in half, the top part, which is expected. It was ripping up over the last month, shredding the cover, and so far the body of the tent is still going, so I'll give it until the wind stops to replace it. Today I'm not going to be walking much because the wind is also kicking up the dust, but I got my Bluetti EB55 charging up. direct solar from the Renogy 200 watt panels. That's fun. At least the sun's out, right? Be well today. I'll be traveling over to the big tent over there for the shows. So I'm camped out south of Quartzsite. The town is right maybe a mile away. Everybody be well for today. God bless. You like my channel, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.